welcome to Live Polarex again, the #1 telescope on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you these two scopes. It's amazing. So I found another one. It's this one above. If you are a Unitron fan, have to see this. You can see. You have to see my channel always. And this one here. Ooh, amazing! I can tell you. So if you want to see what scope I have, go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hello, this is Live Polarex, the #1 telescope on YouTube. Today I have two amazing scopes. This one you see before, you can see on my other film. This is the Unitron, it says Unitron here, so Unitron, see it? Maybe I have to do a whole Unitron, see it? Oh, so this one is also a Unitron. So this one is new, I have it now, you can see, Unitron. So very amazing. So I have now two. So you can see all original 30 by 75 mm. You can see. So Unitron. So original box I have. So I'm lucky to have this one. So and by the way, this is also a little bit funny. This is this is funny. This is some kind of plastic. It feels like. Some kind of hard plastic. So, but yeah, very interesting. This is a 50 mm and it's in 75 mm. Here maybe you can see it, 75 mm here, and the blue one is 50 mm. But very funny. This one is in blue, this 50 mm, and this one is in white. So very funny. And this one says Japan on it. Maybe you can see it. I don't know if you can see. It says Japan on it. Japan here, maybe here above you can see. Don't know if you can see it. So, but very funny, and also the feature is also funny. This one says Japan on here. You can see here Japan, and this one has no Japan on it. But very fun scope, you can say, because this one is also the same. This is the same. You can turn this one so if you want to look that way or downwards. And you can focus. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the 20 mm, and this is also a fun feature. This one is also fun. You can screw it off. So very funny this one. So and here this is a 30 and a 20 mm have now. This is the 30 and this one is the 20. So very funny. So very cool. Very cool. Let's see. Actually, this one also fits on here. This one. Yeah. Very cool. This looks like two Mirador scopes. So please do a like or a comment on the filmpje, so enjoy it.
Mirador spotting scope 50 millimeters and 75 millimeters. They look like the same as Unitron scopes. I found this on the internet. Some photos have been adjusted. Goodbye. I love you all and press the like in. spotting scopes there are. Also other scopes, slightly different, but also fun to see. Have you hit the like button? My pumpkin?
Hey, I put on an ATM scope stand. At a special scope I can turn off the scope. Yeah, very cool. Also put a camera mount on it, you can see, so you can adjust it. So very, yeah, very cool, like I say. Also you can turn on and off. So yeah, see, too cool. You can turn up if you want. Super fun. Thank you for looking at my amazing scopes, the 50mm and the 75mm. So I hope you like this little tour. So very cool, like I say. I'm super happy to get this one actually. So yeah, a little bit rare thing. So yeah, so super fun. Always always looking for something new. So yeah, it's hard to get something new again. So so now thank you for watching again, and till next time on Live Polarex, the #1 telescope.